Good afternoon, class 5. Your last chapter is internet and email. And previously we have learned about Microsoft Word. So we all know that today we are actually doing our classes through internet in WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is just an app that is in your mobile, and you install it from Google Play Store, and then you have your net pack in the phone, and then you use it, and you are getting all of your study through it. So if you do not actually include net pack, you just only have the balance money, then still you will not able to access it. That's mean internet is a different kind of package which comes with your SIM. You have to enable that special features, and then you will able to access your internet, and then you will able to see anything through WhatsApp. So internet is actually a virtually and technologically created a spider web kind of thing through which we actually gets information which is happening all over the world. See, today I sit in my home and I will get information that what is happening in America today, what is happening in New York today. Every information we are getting through internet, and is almost it's like that. Actually there is lots of process. There is like networking, that's not in your chapter, in your syllabus. We will learn it in class 6 and 7, but just remember what is internet. Internet is actually like a spider like wave which actually connects all computer all over the world. So all over the world computer is connected with your phone or your home's computer, and that's why you are able to access information. So that's our internet is. And what is email? When we want to send any message, right now we have Facebook, we have WhatsApp, we have different application through which we can send our message to someone else. But first it was email. Through email you used to send everything, because if you don't have email account, then you will not able to access your Google account, and if you don't have Google account, you will not able to open Google Play. You have to have an email account. That's why you are able to access the Google Play, and then lots of apps you are able to install in your phone. So first, email is very necessary. Emails is just like an address, and is a special message setting thing where you can send messages. You can save a message or document. Through this message you can send picture, through this message you can send video, through this message you can send music, various things. So in this to make an email account, you have various of software, but the most popular is Gmail. You have Hotmail, you have Rediffmail, you have Yahoo. So first, to open any internet, do you really want to check if your computer isn't connected with internet or not? You have to check on the notification bar, and then you have to check that this network access. Here you will find a cross sign. If you're here you can see connected, but if this is not connected, then you will get a yellow signal and it will written as cross. That's mean your computer is not connected with internet. Right now my computer is connected with internet. After that, to open anything in the internet, you have to find a browser. See, if my computer doesn't have any specific software through which I will go to the internet, then my internet will not able to work on. So first I need to have a computer or a mobile, then I have to have a special features enabled, that is internet access in my phone or computer, and then I have to have a specific software which will lead me to the internet. What is this specific software? This specific software is called as web browser. Every computer has their specific web browser, that is called Internet Explorer, but Internet Explorer is little slower, so we have advanced our technology and has new software we invented, and the software is called Google Chrome. Another, you have Mozilla Firefox. Once upon a time Mozilla Firefox was very popular, but then Google Chrome take it over. So right now everything we actually connect Google Chrome. So we open Google Chrome, and then Google pages open up, and after that whatever we want to search, whatever we wanna go, we can able to access it. So this is your internet. The question answer you will get very soon. Stay tuned.